to a new country with your family can be an overwhelming experience, especially when it comes to gathering all the necessary documents. But fear not, my fellow mamas. Today, we are going to share a comprehensive checklist that will ensure that you don't miss a single document during your preparation process. Let's face it, paperwork can be a real headache, and the last thing you want is to realize you are missing a very important document when you've already arrived in the UK. That's why staying organized from the very beginning is key. Not only will it save you time and stress, it will also increase your chances of a smooth and hassle-free transition. Alright, it's time to unveil the checklist that will be your lifesaver during this process. Grab your pen and paper or maybe your notepad on your phone and let's get started. Welcome to Chronicles of a Niger Mom in the UK. My name is Samina Teodile. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, like and share this video with other mamas that are planning to migrate to the UK. On this channel, I share my experience as a mom of 3 children that's been in the UK for the past 5 years. You don't want to isolate yourself by trying to figure everything out alone. So if you are a mom or you are intending to be one, maybe you're pregnant already and you're planning to move to the UK, or you are already in the UK, this is the right channel for you to be. So let's crack into the checklist. Number 1, the first and important document you would need to pack is your family valid passport. And of course, this passport would have visa in them already, stamped visa already. So if you are adding anything extra, it should be supporting documents you used in the visa application process. The second one is certified copies of birth certificates for all your children, including yourself. You can still go to your health center to get one if you're not sure where you keep them, or you go to any high court near you to get an affidavit signed. The third one is the marriage certificate. This is the third one. This is either a high court marriage certificate or a Sharia court marriage certificate. Well, there's some debate around which one is allowed for other religious certificate, but here is the thing: as long as you have used one in your application, I mean your visa application, and it was successful, just bring along that one. You don't have to be bothering yourself around, oh, will they allow this in the UK? As long as you have used it in your application, it's a valid one. Then the fourth one that you want to, the fourth document that you want to prioritize is your educational certificate. Educational certificates from your previous colleges, previous schools, universities, your transcripts, your professional certificates, any academic achievements or certificate that you have, any standardized test score like IELTS, etc. And the fifth one is your medical record. That is immunization record for all your family members, including you, the adult. Bring along any medical card that was issued to your kids, as well as any documents relating to their medical history or any ongoing treatment details. If you are pregnant, you can hold copies of your recent scan result or any treatment that you are undergoing. And number 6, your driving license. This is important to bring along. You are allowed to use your license to drive within the first year of you moving to the UK before you get the UK driving license. So if you've got one that is not expiring soon, bring it along, and when you come here, brace up yourself to start driving. And the seventh document is your police clearance certificate. Don't leave it behind, because this is the third job I'll be doing in the UK, and on 2 occasions they have required that I submit my police clearance certificate. Although I haven't had any reason to give them any new one, because I haven't lived outside the UK for more than 3 months, but at least for your first job you might need it. So now here is the tip that I would like to share with you. For all these documents, create separate folders or sections for each family member to keep everything organized and easy to find. There you have it, mamas. With this checklist in hand, you can be rest assured that you won't miss any essential documents during your preparation process to move to the UK. Remember, being organized and thorough from the start can save you countless headaches down the road. So take a deep breath, grab your checklist, and get ready to embark on this incredible journey with confidence. If this video has been of great benefit to you, you know what you can do to support me. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, don't forget to like this video video and share with other amazing mama out there. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.